welcome to Philip's Thoughts. Today we're going to do a quick update on the deck garden. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Some good, a lot of bad going on here, so we'll just go ahead and run through it real quick. It's going to be a fast video, so stick along. Okay, we're just going to go down the row here. This pot here, this was our spinach, and as you can see, we've just got a few coming up, not very many, and this is after 3 weeks. I have a feeling my seed was on the edge of going bad here, so we've only got a couple there. Radishes are still doing okay. I've had to do a lot of replanting here, you know, due to squirrels getting up and digging things up and everything, but overall they seem to be doing pretty good. This here was our iceberg lettuce. Not so good. There's nothing going on here. You know, some holes dug where the squirrels have been getting in again. I think this seed died. You know, it came up great in the spring, but yeah, absolutely nothing now. I'm really surprised by that. And this was our mixed greens, which, as you can see, we've had some issues. We had a little bit of flooding. My deck pot here quit draining. So once I got that opened up and drained it down, pretty much it drowned out a lot of the salad. So I don't know if any of that's going to survive. Probably not. So it looks like it may be a wash for this fall. We do have some peppers coming in pretty good here. This pot here, you know, we've got, you know, the quantity going. We've got quite a few peppers on this plant. And if we just jump over here to the other plant, you know, it's going for quality. It has one big red pepper, and that's pretty much it. Anyways, that's the end of the video for today. Like I said, just a quick update. You know, on this channel, hey, we're going to show you the good, the bad, you know, the in-between. And so far, it hasn't been that great for this deck salad. But we'll keep an eye on it, see what we get, see how well the spinach comes in, and if any of the spicy salad greens survive, that'll be wonderful too. So until next time, please like and subscribe, and you know, check out some of the other videos, and you know, look at some of the recipe cooking videos that we've got going on where we're using ingredients out of the garden and so forth. A lot of apple recipes coming up. So until next time, keep thinking.